Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to play FanDuel in restricted state. So without further ado, using a VPN is an effective way to enjoy FanDuel securely and without location restrictions. Just follow these steps. Subscribe to a VPN that offers dedicated apps for your operating system. Like NordVPN, it's as compatible with all major desktop platforms. Download and install the VPN application from the provider's website. Log into your account and select and connect to a server located in a state where FanDuel services are available. Look for servers optimized for speed and gaming if the VPN offers such features. Activate the obfuscation feature in the VPN settings. This ensures your traffic appears as regular internet traffic, bypassing any potential restrictions. Now visit the FanDuel website and log in to your account. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.